Yeah, that's pretty gross and disgusting. These are those small flies or gnats. Because of this on and off German weather here, the water that I pour to my plants, they don't get absorbed very fast and the soil remains moist for most of the time and it becomes a breeding ground for gnats. So come with me, I'll show you how to fix the issue. I bought this thing from Amazon, which is a concentrate made of neem, or rather neem seeds. That's what they say. They also say that the gnats that are already flying lay eggs on the soil, and this one helps in killing those eggs. So I'm going to be using this one. I also bought this yellow plastic adhesive thing that I want to stick into my plants so that the gnats that are already alive and flying can stick to it and not fly anymore. The neem concentrate comes with a measuring cup and has the texture of a syrup. I mixed it with generous amount of water and at the end the water looked pretty white. I also tried not to water the plant if the weather is gloomy for a long period. German weather is quite unpredictable. Even in summer, I have to be careful and be aware of the weather changes. I think gnats are attracted to soil beds that remain damper for a longer time. So I am trying to be aware of that as well. So these are the stickers that I bought that comes with adhesive. Peel off the stickers on both the side and stick it into the plant. The stickers do look pretty until the gnats start sticking to them and then it becomes disgusting. So I try to change the yellow stickers once in a while when I think that there are too many dead gnats on it. And that's it. I know gnats can be really annoying, and this is what has worked for me so far. If you have neem oil at home, I think that can also be used to help prevent gnats. And if you have any other techniques to tackle gnats, please let me know because it's super annoying. And until then, have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.